Hi children, good morning. How are you? I hope all are going well. Students, what are things we studied in last class? Successor and predecessor. Welcome students, our maths class. Today we are going to learn about the topic greatest and smallest numbers and even and odd numbers. Our first topic is greatest and small numbers. All of you take your text, page number 85. Are you ready for the class? Okay. Greatest number. What is greatest number? To form the greatest number, write the given digit in the descending order from extreme left. To form the greatest number, write the given digit in the descending order from the extreme left. Okay, one example for you. Example, all of you listen here. Example, 2, 3, 9, 8. 2, 3, 9, 8. Okay. Greatest number. Write in descending order among these number. Write in descending order. Descending order means largest number to smallest number. Largest number to smallest number. Okay, listen here. Among this digit, which number is the largest number? 9 is the largest number. 9 is the largest number. Okay. Then first digit is 9. Next digit 2, 3, 8. Which digit is greatest one? 8 is the greatest one. This is second number. Okay, 8 is the second number. Next one 3 or 2 is the biggest number. 3 is the biggest number. This is third digit. 3. This is fourth digit. Okay. We get the answer 9834. 9834. Greatest number. 9834 is the greatest number. Okay. Next one. Smallest number. Smallest number. Smallest number. Listen here. Smallest number. To form the smallest number, write the given digit in the ascending order. Write the given digit in the ascending order from left extreme. Okay, listen here. To form the smallest number, write the given digit in ascending order from left extreme. Ascending order means smallest number to largest number. Smallest number to largest number. Okay. One example for you. Example, given digits 7, 0, 2, 3. 7, 0, 2, 3. Okay. Form among this number 7, 0, 2, 3. Okay. Write in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest number to largest number. Among these number, which number is smallest number? 0 is smallest number. Okay, listen here. The smallest 4-digit number formed cannot start with 0. Smallest number ne nammal form ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് 0 വെച്ചിട്ട് ഒരിക്കലും സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യത്തില്ല ഒരു നമ്പർ. ഓക്കെ, 0 സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഒരു നമ്പർ ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. Okay, listen here. First we take 2. Number 2. Then next digit 0. 0. Then next digit 3. And next one 7. 2037 is the smallest number. Okay, 2037 is the smallest number. How to form the smallest number? To form the smallest number, write the given digit in the ascending order. Firstly, writing ascending order. Ascending order means smallest number to largest number. Smallest number to largest number. Here, smallest number 2. 2. Then 0 is the smallest number. Don't write the 0. Okay. 2, 0, 3 and 7. Okay. Answer is smallest among this number. We get the answer in smallest number 2037. 2037 is the answer. Okay. Next one. Next exercise 1.7. Exercise 1.7. Okay. Listen here. Exercise 1.7. In exercise 1.7, I will explain 2 questions. Remains your homework. Digits, greatest number, greatest and smallest. Okay. Digits are, first one A, 6, 9, 5, 4. 6, 9, 5, 4. Greatest number. How to form the greatest number? Writing descending order. Writing descending order. Okay. Descending order means okay. Largest number to smallest number. Among this number, which number is largest number? 9 is largest number. Okay, write 9. Then next number. Okay, 6. 6. 5 or 4 is the biggest number. 5 and 4. We get the answer 9654. 9654. Okay. Do you write? Okay. Next one. Smallest number. Smallest number. Among this number, which number is the smallest number? 4 is the smallest number. Okay. Then 4. Then 6, 9 and 5. Among this number, which number is smallest one? 5. 6 or 9? Which one is smallest one? 6. Next one. 9. Smallest number 4569. 4569. Okay, listen here. 6, 9, 5 and 4. 6, 9, 5 and 4 is the number. And greatest number, we get the answer 9654. 9654. And smallest number is 4569. 4569. Okay. Next one. B. 3, 2, 0, 1. 2, 3, 2, 0, 1. Okay, we want to greatest number. Greatest number. Okay. Among this number, which number is greatest number? 3 is greatest number. 3 is the greatest number. Next, 201. Next one 2, then 0 or 1. 1 and next one is 0. Okay. Form the smallest number. Form the smallest number. Listen here. 3201. This number is smallest number. 0. 0 is the smallest number. The smallest 4-digit number formed cannot start with 0. Cannot start with 0. Okay. Then take the number 1, then 0, then 2 and 3. 1023. 1023 is the answer. Okay. Write in your notebook, textbook. Write it. Okay. Do you write? Okay. Remains your homework. Okay. Next one, our next topic, even and odd numbers. Even and odd numbers. Take your page number 86. Page number 86. What is even numbers? What is even numbers? Numbers which have the digit 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in the ones place are called even numbers. Okay. Numbers which have the digit 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. 6 and 8. Okay. Okay, listen here. One example for you. 22, 34, 40. 22, 34 and 40. This is the even numbers. Okay. Next one. Odd numbers. Next one, odd numbers. Odd numbers. The numbers which have the digit 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 in the ones place are called odd numbers. Odd numbers. Okay, listen here. Numbers which have the digit 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in the ones place are called odd numbers. Okay, one example for you. Example 431, 247, next 455, 379. Okay. Exams 431, 247, 555, 379. Okay. Next one. Exercise 1.8. Exercise 1.8. Odd numbers and even numbers. Exercise 1.8. Okay. Exercise 1.8, first one. Circle the even numbers. Circle the even numbers. Okay. First one, exercise 1.8. Exercise 1.8. First one, A, 1121, 2343, 5678 and 983. Next one, second one, B, 3800, 4293, 1177. Next number, 893. Okay, listen here. Circle the even numbers. Circle the even numbers. Here last digit. In ones place digit. Here 1, 3, 8 and 3. Again 3. 1, 3, 8 and 3. Which number is even number? 1, 3, 8 and 3. 8 is the even number. 8 is the even numbers. Even numbers are 0, 4, 2, 6 and 8. 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. These numbers are even numbers. Here 8. This number is even number. Okay, circle this number. All of you circle. Okay, this is the even number. Next one, 3800, 4293, 1177, 893. Okay, then last digit. Ones place digit 0, 3, 7 and 3. Okay, 0 is in the ones place, 3 is in the ones place, 7 is in the ones place and 3 is in the ones place. Okay, 0 is the even number. Okay, circle this number. Circle this number. All of you circle. Okay. Next one, see 5008, 729, 8315, 663. Listen, among this number, which number is the even number? Okay, then last digit number 8 here, 9, 5 and 3. 8 is the even number. 8 is the even number. Circle this number. Okay, next one, D. Next one, 9816. Next one, 9861, 3333, 7787 and 8860. Okay, 9861, 3330, 3, 1, 3, 7 and here 0. Which number is it? Even number 0. Okay, then circle the 0. Circle the 0. Okay. Did you finish? Okay. Next one. Second one. Circle the odd numbers. Circle the odd numbers. Second one. Circle the odd numbers. Second one. I will explain only one question. Remains are your homework. First one. A. 5,382. 4,423. 4,976. 2,082. Circle the odd number. Circle the odd number. Last number. 2, 3, 6 and 2. Okay. 3 is the odd number. 3 is the odd number. Circle this number. Circle this number. Okay. Did you finish? Okay. Remains are your homework. Students, today's topic is over. Our chapter is over. In this chapter, we learn about some topics: counting, numbers, place value and face value, expanded form and short form, successor and predecessor, comparison of numbers, even and odd numbers, and descending and ascending order. If you have any doubt in this topic, please ask me. Okay, thank you.